Good evening. I am Rashi Sandeep Chudiwal. Our today's video topic is string constant pull and string lateral pull. So, in today's video, we are going to see what is string constant pull and string pull in Java and string lateral pull in Java. So, we will start with today's topic. Before that, we will see string pull in Java. In Java, string is the most important topic. Okay, there is a number of concepts that related to the string, but the string pulling concept is one of them. The string pulling concept in Java is a bit tricky. So, today we are going to see string constant pull, or first we will going to see string pull. Okay, string pool is nothing but a storage area in Java heap where string literal stores. It is also known as string intern pool or string constant pool. It is just like object allocation. By default, it is empty and privately maintained by the Java string class. Whenever we create a string, uh, whenever we create a string, the string object occupies the some space in the heap memory. Creating a number of string may increases the cost and memory too, which may reduce the performance also. Now, the next point, that is the JVM performs some steps during the initialization of string literals that increase the performance. The JVM performs some steps during the initialization of the string literal that increases the performance and the decreases the memory load. To decrease the number of string objects created in the JVM, the string class keeps a pool of strings. When we create a string literal, the JVM first checks that literal in the string pool. If the literal is already present in the pool, then it returns a reference to the pooled instance. If the literal is not present in the pool, a new string object takes a place in the string pool. Now, creating string in Java. There are two ways to create a string in Java. First is using literal and second is using new keyword. So we are going to see using literal means we have given one string s equals to double quotes Python. We don't use new keyword. So this is string literal. Now first we have created string literal that Python and it takes place in the pool. After that, this string data science is created. It also takes the place in the pool. At last, again, we have created this string that is Python, but at this time, JVM checks for the string and found that the string literal is already present or not. Instead of taking new instance in the string pool, it returns the reference of the pooled instance that is string s. So similarly, when we use the new keyword to create the string literals, it also takes place in the string pool. We have created three strings, strings literals, Java, C++, and data science. We see that the string literals Java and C++ are the new ones, but the data science literal is already exist in the pool. At this time, JVM allocates the space for the literal, the data science in Java heap. Remember that all these string literals are created with new keyword that place in Java heap, not in the string pool. So let us take an one. We will see one example for this. We have created one class that is string pool. In that main method, there we have created string s1 equals to Java, string s2 equals to Java, and string s3 equals to new string in bracket parenthesis double quotes Java, and string s4 equals to new string parenthesis double quotes Java dot double quotes Java and dot intern method. And the out in sysout we will give s1 equals to s2, string are equal, s1 equals to s3, string are not equal, and next is out s1 equals to s4 and string are equal. So now output will be that true string are equal, false string are not equal, true string are equal. In above example we have seen that whenever we use new operator to create a string, it creates a new string object in Java heap. Okay, so we can forcefully stop this feature by using the intern method of the string classes. Thank you.